Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Mr. Steinsberg, welcome, my brother. Ruben Dedrix, JV, welcome. Welcome, E.T. Hope you're doing good. Z, Jason, Ridwan, Lucrecio, Brett Flo, welcome, gentlemen. Welcome. Glad you guys can be here. We'll start running through our pairs now. Doesn't seem like anything we haven't tabled yet today. Quickly start off looking at boom and so forth. So boom just left without us yesterday, stopping us out and then moving to the upside. Crash over here was very difficult. We hit a stop here yesterday, price came to the zone and prices basically ran about 100 pips. Crash over here, came back to entry point, stopped us out, and now back in profit. So hopefully we'll see what we can get you today. Let's just wait for everyone to join in, then we can get started. Still eyeing that zone here on boom. So on the C price form a higher high for the session. Potentially see this come all the way back down here. This is happening in the 4 hour real quick. Sorry about that, guys. Sorting out things once again this morning. You guys know the vibes. Setting myself up here for the future of Faro markets. I like what I see here so far on Crash. Okay, so like I said too, I think it was, I don't know, yesterday on boom 500. I can't be looking for sells. I want to see price basically long. Let's see. I see we have some new people here. Forest Journey with Lee. Good morning, Lee. Hope you're doing good. That random kid Cole. Hope you're doing well, my brother Gibson. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, Gibson. Hope you're doing good. Yes, please, guys. Like Eddie said, please drop those likes and the subs. Jeff, are you going to be trading USDT and NAS today? Yes, I will be. Just gonna run through the synthetics quickly, then we're gonna get there. Top of the morning, everyone. JV, the ceiling looks good. Can we see a beautiful face, a face of yours? Or his wife is sitting by you today? Yeah, I know that. I put the camera like that. I'm gonna move the camera I'll move the camera back on my face in a second. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. You must know we have camera shy people, yeah. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys had a good evening. I hope you guys had a good day yesterday. I had a difficult day yesterday on these markets, so yeah. Okay, so looking at boom over here, we can see price is clearly bearish. Price heading into these lows over here. However, the last demand zone which was left was all the way over here, which price has not yet tapped into, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, price hasn't tapped in here yet. So I still want to see price basically trade down to these levels over here. So what I'm gonna actually do is I'll be doing a slightly different approach on this. I'll be doing turtle soup. So on the 1 hour, let's mark out that liquidity. So first things first, Asia. Let's see now. So looking at this over here, accumulation. This over here could be the manipulation to the downside, and this could be distribution. However, seeing that we are still bearish on this, seeing this as engineered liquidity basically up here, I still want to see price basically sweep those levels basically. So okay, it's a bit unclear on the 1 hour. Let me just quickly go to the 4 hour to have a more clear idea. Okay, so the last place I see here basically is this little wick. So now if we go back to the 15 minute, 1, 2, 3, okay. So seeing that we swept above that high, kind of makes me want to sell it. If you look at boom here yesterday, very similar setup to boom yesterday. So I think I'm gonna take a short there on boom 500. Nothing too major, nothing too aggressive, just purely following the order flow. I want to see a little bit of pullback. So for instance, if this is something we do take, just want to see something quickly. I think 30 pips is reasonable. 30 pips is reasonable. Sorry, so I'm not going in with my full lot. And the reason for that is because in case we have some pullback, I would actually love to see some pullback so that we can. So my stop is right over there on 72. So I still expect price to maybe pull back a bit into this level, and then I will add a position here basically, and that will also be our trade management above that high, and then simply we will target the Asian low on this. So I think we can actually do a full 1 to 5 just like that. So there we go, there we have it. First trade for the day. First trade for the day. Okay, so let's quickly run down here on crash and see what is happening. I'll get back to the chat now guys. Just want to quickly run through our pairs. We are a bit behind schedule here. So that left us with a new demand zone basically over here. Okay, so there's that tap into that level, and then we have that move to the upside. Okay, so Asia high, Asia low. Price is still in the zone here. Makes it very difficult for me to actually start looking for anything, but this kind of puts these lows back on the table for us over here, purely because of this triple bottom sitting here to so I don't trust that. I don't trust that. I would rather sit it out there and crash. I'd rather wait for crash 500 to come back down towards the low. I feel like that's a more I feel like that one is more trustworthy, and that's according to the bottom fair value gaps, so I think we are good. Then on boom, boom 1000. So similarly, you can see yesterday price just left without us. So unfortunately, we didn't catch that. Price moved over. Price literally moved. We got stopped out over here more or less, and price moved. So let's say from here, price moved over 300 pips. Price moved over 300 pips yesterday. And we got stopped out because of a lousy little one candle. Let's see on crash 300. The other 4 hour. Let's see if we had a break here. We did have a break of structure, so that will mean continuation on the 4 hour. See this as the mon down here. So I want to see crash rate all the way down into this level here, crash 300, before looking for a long. Okay, I think that is, yeah, I think that is basically it for what I am looking at. You guys know crash and boom on my babies. Hope you guys can see me there now. Up 64 pips on boom 1000, beautiful bread. How about V75? Okay, let's look at V75 there. V75. Start off on the 4 hour. Oh no. The pairs, I changed the pairs names, yeah. So V75. Jeff, you got that face mask on. Yeah, very. Double my account on a crash 1000 trade yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful. Curtly, not gold. Sorry, Curtly. Sorry, man. You guys have very similar names, and you guys are a lot. So my bad, Curtly. Noted. I'm gonna look at buying your course with the profits. Beautiful, Jason. Get in touch with my brother. Let's make it happen. So V75 over here. So price basically at the moment accumulating. So who asked me about it? Or Polka. So right now at the moment I will set it out on V75. I want to see what's gonna happen after this accumulation phase. So when this accumulation be taken out and either hit into the supply zone to sell or come down into the demand zone to basically buy. But initially what I would love to see is the price to do something like that. So still also a waiting game here on V75. I really can't trade in the range like that. It just go. It's not part of my rules. So that's unfortunate. December 17. I just said the wrong name. Yeah, no, let's just get used to that. All good, Jeff. Thank you, Curtly. Thanks for giving me. Okay, so guys, there's something I want to discuss with you guys. But I want to see how you guys are gonna feel about it first. Okay, but before we do that, let's quickly run a poll here. Have you liked the stream? Have you shared it with a friend? Have you told a fellow trader about it? If not, please share the link with a fellow trader, a fellow friend, and let's get it. Good morning, Nico. Jeff, jump 50. If we sweep Asia's low, if we sweep Asia and tap into fever, do we take that sell? Okay, jump 50. Let's look at jump 50 quickly. Jump 50, let's see. So price initially held that level. Hey, you see, my only problem here, Brett, is the fact that you see from this range, basically it's from this line here. So as you can see, price set this high and this low. So here's that low and here's that high. But if you look at it, like when price came to this low over here, price didn't give us a full closure candle at that level. Same thing over here, no full closure at this level. So to me, that's no valid break of structure. The way I see it is liquidity sweeps, meaning activate those buy stops, activate those sell stops, pull traders in, form a new little range. Notice here once again, out this wick is set, and this wick here is set. And notice here again, we sweep that, we pull in, we sweep that, we pull in, and eventually this low set over here, this high set over here, basically activate once again, pull in. So now the next thing I would say is to activate and pull in and contract, basically forming a smaller range before that big breakout happens to either side. So for me currently at the moment on jump 50, I will also set it out, unfortunately. On the 50-minute also, it's very choppy. It's like can't really tell where the market wants to go. Quickly see something. Yeah. So see something in 1 hour. I would say maybe Brett, if we can sweep these highs here, if we can sweep this high for turtle soup, then maybe yes, I would say we can take a sell. So maybe something like this. Maybe if we can get a tap into this level, we can sell after we sweep that high here. Because then Asian lows will be untested, and then the pattern I want to see is basically the market must move up with some sort of bullish momentum, so forming higher highs, showing me that characteristics and tapping that level, trading back below the swept liquidity, changing character displacement, and then I will look for that other fair value to basically see a move like that to the downside. All good, Brett. So guys, there is something I wanna talk to you guys about, but I can't do it without you. I would love to do it myself. I would love to do it because then I would have oversight. We can do it however the way I want. Because so based on the meeting, what we discussed was if we can get these numbers for them, then I can do it however. Like if I can put emphasis on how much it do, if I can put emphasis on it, if I can put emphasis on how serious I am about it, if we can make this happen, if they agree to it, we can do whatever the fuck we want. I'm being honest with you. But the other thing is also, I don't want to jump the gun and just say something publicly and then, yeah, Going B on boom at 80 pips. Let's see what's happening there on boom quickly. Boom 1000 you said. Oh, damn. Okay, you took it here. Okay, nice. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah, we're gonna look at thingy also. USD them. So Nasdaq in a bullish market, in the bullish trend. So initially the order flow should continue being bullish over here. So we'll wait for price to break out of the range here today, New York session. And then US30. US30 not breaking below those lows over here, which is interesting. But massive move to the upside. Break above. The that level held. So it looks like we're gonna continue seeing a bullish Nasdaq here. So it's either what will happen is it's either they will continue with the trend, or they're gonna have to stop and low. They're gonna have to take out these lows here and trade down to this level for us to buy it. So that's the outlook on Nasdaq and USD. Bullish momentum, expecting price to take out the lows of the day, New York session, and we take it from there. Waiting for boom 500 to pull back so I can enter. Okay. So a quick one here, guys. There might be a new office starting in PE, a new forex brokerage office. But in order for that to happen, in order for us to open an office this side, I would have to show them it's worthwhile opening an office. So you guys will see here in the chat, I've sent a link. So all I will request from you guys is, open an account with XM using this link, and then make a $10 deposit, and just take one trade. There is, say for instance, there's 24 of us here. There's 24 of us here already, and this channel has barely even blown up yet. They want to see 50 people end of the month. Okay, 50 people. There's already 24 of us right over here. Okay, now some of you guys already have accounts with XM. If you already have an account with XM, please message me, and then I will tell them that, look here, this is a client who's already with XM, but gonna come to the PE office. So then obviously we'll not saying we'll take business away from the other office, but now obviously because we will be like assisting you per se, you become our priority, which means you become part of our, if that makes sense, right? So here's the link in the chat. I'm also gonna pin it. All I'm requesting is that you guys open an account there, make a $10 deposit, and just take one trade. Just take one trade, 0.01. I have. Okay. If you have an account with XM, please email me your email address, link to your XM account, your account, to pharaohmarkets@gmail.com. So we wanna use this. I mean, guys, look here. You guys are the chat, right? You guys are our supporters here. You guys support us. Ridwan, I already have an account with them. That's not a problem at all, my brother. If you guys have an account with them, please message me. Please send me your email that is linked to your account. I don't want your account number or anything like that. I just need your email to show them that, look here, you can go in your database, reference this email. If there's an account, obviously they'll say I'm not making things up. And I'll tell them those clients must now be linked under PE. Then if that target is hit, guys, we can start our own office in PE, right? It's either going to be an XM office for them, or it will be a Pharaoh Markets branded office powered by XM. Now, here's the other thing. I have spoken to some of you guys about it in regards to the spreads. We'll email you from my email that's linked. Okay, perfect, Max, perfect. So, I've spoken to some of you guys in regards to the conditions there, right? Now, it can be improved. It's not the train smash. It's not a train smash. And that's initially also why I want to show them that, look here, there's 100 people here who say the same thing. They can't ignore 100 people's requests, understand my point? So, unfortunately, HFM is taking too long. HFM doesn't want to do an office. So, unfortunately, that goes against my vision. I'm working with all the people who wants to do what we want to do, which is initially have an office. I told you guys the other day the idea I have for an office, a trading floor where anyone can come in. Free of cost. There's training facilities, there's resources, there's everything you need. You know, that is the idea I have for this trading floor. So if you guys can just open a link using that, if you guys can just open an account using this link over here and make a $10 deposit. If you can't make a deposit, message me. Let's see if I can't even help you with the $10, you know. And then obviously, like, we just want to get those numbers in so that they can see that there is numbers, there is people, and this is worth actually doing, you know, guys. Because trust me, guys, I have a vision here, but the only thing is, if I had all the money that I want, I wouldn't need to do this, you know. But unfortunately, like, I'm limited with resources. But here's the thing also. Everything involves risk, so I would rather do something with a brokerage, for instance, where they are willing to take a risk with me. To me, that shows a lot, you know. Just help me to open a XM. Say when you're up and running to Europe. Sorry, is kak. Oh yeah, Nico. Okay, Nico, please send me your email. And then let's see. And then I will get some bigger on it. Let me actually message her now. Is it bigger? So now I want to quickly know something from you, right? Now I have a lot of clients who already have accounts with XM, and it's not like when I was affiliate with you guys. This either happened with them either opening their own accounts, or when I told them that okay, it's also reliable broker, you can also go with them. So my question is, like, the people who are already have accounts but will be under us, is it possible that we can link them under me? Because the thing is now will make it difficult if I have all these people that already have accounts but like there's another can't be shown, understand what I'm trying to say? And then I have a client also who is in the EU who would like to close his account in the EU and open an SA account since he's a citizen yet. Can you also assist me with that, closing the account, getting a new account for him? Okay, so Jason, what will having an office in PE entail? Okay, I'll get that in a second. Just want to see what our PE is doing. So we're having some pullback there, but we're in the blues. We're in the blues. We're in the blues. Let's just quickly measure out more or less when it's 1-to-1 R and so forth, just to have an idea. So this is 1-to-1 R over here. Okay, you guys want to see? Okay, so Jason, Jeff, you can still help us with Vault Funder questions, etc. Neil, yes, I am. I'm still gonna help you guys with that. In fact, since this will be happening, I will now also be allowed to use Vault Funder again. So I will still be affiliated with Vault Funder since it's a prop firm that is not linked to another brokerage per se. Understand? So that's with another side of where, like I told you guys, it's still all love, still all love. With Vault Funder, I do want to go back. I can't wait to actually get my new account with him. And also, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Chris, also, I think if I'm not mistaken, I must still confirm with Chris if he will still give me more accounts that I can give away to you guys, okay? But if we do that, and obviously this becomes an XM stream, unfortunately then I'll have to do giveaways privately because we don't want to get conflict of interest in that sense. You guys understand what I'm trying to say? But Jason, to answer your question quickly, my brother, let me quickly show you something. So I can actually show you guys this. Let me just quickly see. I was invited to I was invited to Europe just before COVID. Where is it? Look here, guys. So, I wonder now. I'm gonna quickly change my screens on here. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys can read this. So Samuel and Co Trading. This is Samuel Leach, and they had a series on YouTube called The Real Forex Trader. Now I stumbled upon this, and bro, was this not one of the most amazing things I've ever witnessed? And it was just like, and now mind you, this was when, look at the date here, this was the 18th of July 2019. Okay, 2019. Take note of that. So I applied to be part of this series, and I was still in my trading journey. I just started getting profitable and so forth. Now you go to these people and you basically spend like a month with them, and then eventually if you win the challenge, you start working for Samuel. He allocates you funds, and then like you basically work for him, managing his funds basically. Now that is something that I really wanted to do because, like, we need funding. So thank you for applying for the Real Forex Trader series. Thank you for your application. We're also looking forward to the stage before you into following. So I did all of this. So as you can see, availability for the month of February 2020 includes weekend at our office in Watford, able to pay your own. So I started speaking to my family and so forth and so forth, and my family was keen, my uncle was keen to borrow me the money and so forth, but then fucking COVID hit. COVID, you know, and I couldn't go to Europe, and I couldn't go, and I couldn't be part of the series, but I saw they're actually still doing it. So I just want to show you to answer your question, Jason. Samuel Leach.
My name is Samuel Leach, forex trader, Forbes contributor, and tech.
We won't be able to hear the sound now.
I'm about to put my reputation.
Let me just get the sound on here as well. Okay, hope you guys can hear. So initially, this is the idea I want to do with the office. I wanna, obviously there will be a budget, you know. I wanna have a similar thing, a similar series where we'll take, like, let's say 10 people to become the ultimate, I would almost say the ultimate trader, but to become the real forex trader, and then, you know, get a job at the office. And we wanna do this like once, twice a year, empower 2 individuals to actually start working within the brokerage, but then also like literally have an office space. I hope I can give you guys an idea here, but you guys can go check it out in your own time and see like how this office looks, how they do things around here, how this guy Samuel operates, and it's like, the thing is, I want it to be more than just an office. Guys, I see we have some pullback there on thingy. I see some pullback there. Neil, Jeff, I've been trading for almost 4 weeks now. I feel like I lost my edge. I would check with Volt account. Can I just place a full trade? Yeah. Neil, so if you don't place a trade, the account will become invalidated, and then so please, I would say place a small account, small lot size 0.01. Just open and close it so that we can, yeah, basically. Brett, sorry, did something change there? Did something change there? Okay, guys, I received the confirmation. You guys with XM accounts, Jason and so forth. Jason, who else did that have XM account? Kajita, I think. Mags. Okay, so everyone who has accounts, please message me so I can send you the instructions. Unfortunately, I can't take your emails. You guys have to do it yourselves because of compliance purposes. Kajita, so when are you looking to start the office? It depends on how the performance will be end of this month. So if we can show them real numbers end of this month, then most likely within the next 2-3 months. The sooner I show to them that the sooner the channel grows, the sooner we get more people there, the sooner they'll actually give us that opportunity for actually starting the office. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna add another small position here on boom. Okay. Um, Give me a second here. This thing is so close to that high though. Jave, so how do I do it since I have an XM account? Okay guys, so here's some quick instructions. Ridwan, so do you see this link I sent in the group, eh? This affiliate link, so this link here, I've sent it again. So that link over there, click on that, and then I will send the instructions. I'll also send the instructions here now on in the comments. Um, okay, Ridwan, all the existing clients, here's the instructions. Oh damn, this is too much. I can do it step by step. Okay, so there's step one. No man. Um, okay, there's step one. There's step two. And then here is step three. And there's step three. There you go. Like I said, I added the position, yeah. I added the position, yeah. So if you miss that first entry, this is where you can enter. Yeah, I would say go for zero spread. Zero spread. There are a few things also that I will request from my side to them to also improve the conditions even more. So once price crosses this level here, we'll actually go break even, purely based off the order flow. So ik grab something to drink quickly. Your mond is droog. I was actually an idiot now. I should have kept the door closed. Let's go me again. Okay, so just this. There's this in the market for us. Just this. So now it's on. Now it's on. Now it's on. Yo guys, so I've been getting destroyed on Fortnite, man. I've been playing on a keyboard. Now mind you, I used to play games when I was younger, but never on a PC. So now like it's obviously getting used to it and so forth. And I decided like, you know what, nah. I've come to realize everyone who's good at Fortnite, they either play with an Xbox or a PlayStation. And not with a keyboard. They have a joystick. So yesterday I decided, okay, look, yeah, I'm gonna joystick for the PC. It was the first time holding a joystick after like probably almost 10 years. You know how weird it felt in my hands? Now I feel like an amateur once again. Done, Jeff. Okay, awesome, Ridwan. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Remember, like I told you guys, they want to see 50 people and us. So, and see 50 people and us, which is reasonable. And there's already 3 of you. Awesome, guys. 47 more to go. I think that's a really good impression there. Please send me your email address link to your XM. Just registered an account using the link. Awesome, Nintendo. Appreciate it, man. Let's get that office, man. Like honestly, guys, and I think about it this way also. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying I have favorites or whatever it is. I'm not saying that. But obviously, like the people who are there with you from the beginning, you know, you can't forget those people. So, um, like if you guys help me make this happen, trust me, you guys will definitely be rewarded, and you guys will not be forgotten for that. Um, so my brother, all you have to do is your name, Neil Oswald. All you have to do is type on Google Deriv Trading View, and you will see that charts.deriv.com. That is the website that you can go to basically get your charts with Deriv. What else I want to say to you guys now? I'll just say something now. Jeff, did you open a standard or micro account with XM? Standard zero. Yeah, I don't use micro accounts. I don't use micro accounts except for with Volt. Volt's the only place. Don't forget to post on your socials, Kajita. Hey, we will get there. We will get there. Currently, we can't post on. Currently, I can't just post on my socials just yet. Can't just post on my socials just yet. Just a few more other things that I need to sort out before we start posting that. I'll actually be going to the office later today to go see Chris. So Ridwan, Jeff, will you be in the 24-hour stream with Chris? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Nothing was said to me. So ik weet niet. Nice, guys, nice. We need 46 more. The first day, we're already almost 10% there. See guys what teamwork does? See what teamwork does? So, I'm looking forward to it, man. It'll be awesome, like I said, man. Like, I love Chris and the Vault Markets office. But when I was working for Michael and Leon for Stock Market College, I saw things that, like, I could see where it could improve, man, you know, but my ideas like seem a bit crazy, so people wouldn't just take it, which I understand. Understand. What I want to do is completely different. It's never been done before, so the risk of it not working out is potentially there. But how are you gonna change an industry if you don't do something differently? You know. So the same thing like when I was working for Michael and Leon, the Vault office, when I was at Quick Trade, when I was working for M4, um, like I have all these ideas, man. You know, I have all these ideas. All I need is literally all I need is just an office space. That's all I need, and you guys will see. But don't forget to hire us. Nah, definitely, my brother, definitely. Like I said, like that's why I wanna start this office. Like it won't be like a thing of just like I'll be doing the same thing, Chris. Basically, that kind of like with me, I won't be like say outsourcing to find people, but I will look around me who is the right people to use for what position, basically, you know. And in the end, like we are building this thing, you know. No one's working for anyone here. Like we are building something. That's what you must always remember. Okay, so how I'm gonna manage this trade is when price comes back down towards this entry. Sorry, I was just busy responding there. So I'll only be going to the office tomorrow and sort out a few things today. So I want to see price trade down back to this initial entry. Since we have this new entry, when price crosses there, I will simply close that one, and then obviously we have a bigger risk reward from there. Basically, I don't like what Boom is doing. I don't like what Boom is doing. That's the only other pairs that I'm looking at right now at the moment that looks nice to me. Currently down about 20 pips. So kom ons sien, kom ons sien. Can't do anything on Boom either. Need to see it pull back. But it's good because looking at yesterday, that wick basically, we have to see price fill that wick. So I would assume that that pullback to the upside, maybe around this area over here, we'll start seeing that reversal coming through. Anywhere around here, it's a just see that's a massive zone. It's like 100 pips. Yo, 3 candles, 100 pips. Yo. So how this thing moved. So this thing moved over 400 pips yesterday. That's insane. Okay guys, I do see your emails. I will get back to it ASAP. So I'm just gonna forward you all the response that Chica gave me. I'm literally just sending you guys what she said to me with the link, so you guys have the instructions there. Okay, let's see quickly. I see some of you guys. I don't like what Boom is doing, eh? Please also make sure, guys, that your accounts are verified before making a deposit, eh? Okay. Okay, I think that's everyone's emails I got back to. Are we staying away from Nasdaq and USD? Hey, Nico, waiting for New York session for that. Because as you can see, the market's still very. Usually, you would see Tokyo, London. The most volatile session is usually New York session. So that's what we're waiting for, because that's when the comics market opens. So what I want to see on Dow Jones is on USD is the price trade all the way down to this level, so I can start looking for buys, and then potentially see my pivot and look at my pivot lines up as well. And then on Nasdaq, I want to see either Nasdaq fail at this level. So meaning, what I mean by fail, I either want to see Nasdaq fail breaking below this level so we can see sales coming in, or alternatively, seeing that Nasdaq is making new highs, I also wouldn't be surprised if it taps this and it continues pushing to the upside. Uh, do you only use TradingView for analyzing? Or can you place trades as well? I only use it to analyze, but I know with TradingView you can link your broker, but I'm not comfortable doing that. I started trading on my phone using a small little J1, and I've been used to that ever since. Yo bro, I probably haven't executed more than 50 trades on a computer, but I've executed hundreds, if not thousands, on a phone. All good, Nico. All good. Now, beautiful guys, man. Julle is honde. Julle is honde. Die honde is gebyte. Nah, thank you for the support, guys. Like I said, even though like I'm doing this, yeah, I make my own money and so forth, but this vision I have, unfortunately, requires me to have a lot, and unfortunately, I don't have that amount of money and I don't have that amount of resources. But I've looked at so many people who have come from nothing and have made it with the support of the right people. So I know that everything, people say anything is possible. I say everything is possible. Life is limitless. Hey Jeff, I used to use XM previously, but withdrawals took 7 working days to reflect my Visa card. Is there a better way? What was your withdrawal method, that River? What was your withdrawal method that you used? I know Visa takes. Oh, Boom is just booming, yeah. Boom is just booming, yeah. Let's quickly see. So bank withdrawals via bank wire credit debit cards usually take 2 to 5 business days to reach your account. So you have to use like these payment gateways like online banking and things like that. So I know Visa always takes long with all brokers. Visa's always an issue. Um, Booms needs a chill pill. Yeah, yes, it's being difficult, man. It's being difficult. Oh, it's quiet in here. That's awkward. I'm risking my entire profit in yesterday's crash trade on Boom. My mistake. Hey, bro. Risk takers are money makers, bro. Risk takers are money makers. So if it works out, that will be a beautiful little something for you there. And I think it's also, man, if you understand what you're doing, there's no need to fear, especially when it comes to these pairs, man. Like think about it this way: if you make a $10 deposit, and you flip the account to $100, you've made 900% on the account, basically, 900%. Now, if you risk $5 per trade, for instance, or even $10 per trade, your initial deposit, why should you be greedy if you now have like 10 shots? I always say, like, if you take 10 trades in a row and you all stop, then maybe there's something wrong. But Yeah. Come on, Boomaloo. Come on, man. Don't be so difficult. I smack this back in bean music. And Nico. I don't like the size of movement on Boom. Z, me either, man. I don't like it when they go against me, man. I want to see straight profits. However, also, like I said, I've seen this happen before in these pairs where they are difficult for a few days, and then when they'll set up new highs before they can drop. So we might even get to the point where if we get stopped out here, we might not have a trade New York session, because the market has to trade down so far on crash 500, so far on crash 15. Boom has to go up so far. Even this Boom 500 even has more room to still go up. This is what I'm saying. We just want to see that retracement come in, so we continue that push to the upside. But it's not like a move that we're gonna swing for the fences all the way down here for the lows. Especially this last weekend, it usually does that and explodes to the upside. We're taking a sell and Boom. We're already in Jarian. Max Chief, what's your leverage on the standard account? The highest there is, I think it's 1 to. I can't log in here, man, because I saved it on this profile. Otherwise, you're gonna see everything on my end. But the highest leverage possible, I always select max, and the reason for that is I want to have my margin as small as possible. So I would always say leverage of 1 to 500 is always alright. It's always alright. Dus nou hier zo. Let me go phone Deriv quickly, the market maker. Hy is ons die blou gladse. Yes. Ek is trots op jou man, ek speel vir jou. Yeah, the stop loss for boom, you can't see the screen. You should be able to see the screen, Jarian. I'm sure you should be able to see the screen unless you back in time. You must maybe forward the thingy. Yeah, 1 to 1,000 is fine, Max. But don't over leverage the account now, eh? The only reason why I do that, because remember your account works like this. You have your balance, equity, margin, free margin. Now what's a margin call? A margin call is when your free margin goes to 0. That's basically when you can't place more trades. Your account has nothing to breathe on. That's how your account blows. Additional account opened. Perfect. This afternoon we're gonna smack thingy. We're gonna smack USDT. And Nasdaq. Now, beautiful guys, we are making this happen. Jarian, if you haven't heard it yet, my brother, we are moving over to XM. We might be starting an office in PE. So if you don't have an account with XM, please check the pinned message in the chat. Yeah, that's the one, Jarian. 5072. The only thing about these pieces, they move so slow, man, you know, so you have to be patient with it, you know, so, yeah. Where's Arno? Arno caught a beautiful trade yesterday on a crash, I think. Yeah, crash. I think he caught these sells, yeah. He sells down. I don't know how he did it, but... Yo, I can't see myself selling crash or buying boom. Yeah, Nigerian. The plan is to The plan is to actually make this vision actually become a reality now. Yo, this music, man. Let's see what this is.
Everyone thinks they're born a trader, but when green turns red, wait.
Okay, vamos in. If you haven't liked the stream yet, seven more likes, and then we can make this happen. Nico, I have an update for you. Please check your WhatsApp. Struggling to make a deposit with XM. Lucrecio, what deposit method are you using? Which deposit method are you using? Yo, man, these passwords. What's my password again? Okay, I'm in. So I use. What did I use? So I would say the easiest way you can make a deposit is through cryptocurrency Ripple. Ripple is the cheapest, and then Ripple is the cheapest you can use. Okay, that's $50 minimum. Or I would say Visa. Yeah, Visa is the one most people should be using. Okay, Jason, new account funded $10. Beautiful. Visa. Try the internet trans, also track it first. Perfect. There you have it, Lucrecio. There you have it. Lovely, man. Beautiful stuff. Oh man, Boom, man. Why are you playing? Why? Yo, Boom is difficult. Your boom is being difficult. Now, if we don't see some clean movement within the next half an hour, so half an hour is 6 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we don't see price at the second entry by 12, we can scratch these trades. I'm not gonna make myself stress so much for nothing. And then it pulls back a bit more. Nah, guys, I think I'm gonna scratch these trades, man. I don't like the way boom is moving. So first entry, minus 19, second entry minus 4.7. So say about 24 pips. I'm gonna close it. I'm not gonna sit through this. I'd rather see them make a new high for New York session and then try and take it from there. But I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like that. What else do we have on the table? Yeah, there's nothing else. Nothing else. Oh, we can chill around for the next few minutes and then yeah. And the updated scoreboard will be coming in a few seconds. And there we have it. There's the updated scoreboard. And then the synthetic course announcement will be coming out probably later today and will be released in August. Yeah, it could be scratched it. Could be scratched it. Could have been stopped out there most likely. So yeah, we have to wait here, guys. Unfortunately, we have to wait here. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the stream soon. Market's very slow. Like I told you guys, also we're on the beginning of the first quarter. So yeah, I've been studying these pairs for so long. It makes sense why the movements are the way they are. Got out there just in time. Just in time. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end off the session here. Let's play our outro, our theme song, and I'll see you guys again for New York session, and we'll be looking to kill it once again. But let's hope the market moves now in the time we're off stream and actually forms new highs and lows, so meaning new lows on crash and new highs on boom. So when the market comes in New York session, we just look to kill. We just look to kill. But yeah, guys, once again, I always appreciate you guys. The support, it's really, you guys have no idea how much it means to me. If you have not yet opened your account with XM, and you don't have the update on that, we are looking to start a XM office in PE, but we have to make sure the numbers are looking good. So here's a link. Open the account. Let me know if you already have an account. Please DM me. Let's discuss it. Let's link you under the office. There's a lot of benefits coming for the people who will be part of this this movement. So yeah, I'm working on some. I'm gonna speak to them as well in regards to some bonuses for you guys, and then yeah, we will see. Jason, yeah, I closed boom. I scratched it. I scratched boom. When they basically made this new candle here, I was like, nah, can't be sitting through so much drawdown if they have another plan. So I'm out there. I'll be looking to enter again New York session. We'll most likely be looking at I just wanna see them push up a bit more. So that's the move I want to see on boom. Jason, I also received your email. Please send me a WhatsApp. I want to give you a call, please. That jump trade from yesterday, and from yesterday, the other day we marked that level. I'm staying alone and I should, but can't help myself. I'm still here, guys. Don't worry. I'm still here. Yes, please. Please send me another WhatsApp. Do you play the Deriv forex? Always the Deriv. Always the Deriv synthetics, my brother. Always synthetics. Well, big to see a reversal come through here. So there's a change of character. The level here basically respected. Break of structure. Shit, we missed it. Oh, we missed it. Damn it. Maybe we can still get in here. We can still get in here. We can still get in here. Okay, guys. Last setup for me for the day. I'm gonna place a buy limit. Buy limit on jump 100 right over here. There's the entry, so I'll be watching that, and I want to see this engineered liquidity be taken out before seeing that move come into the upside. Okay, so I'll see you guys later on. If you guys have not yet joined the Discord server, here's the link. I'll be sending updates over here on this trade. So I'm gonna go for now, and then I'll just keep you guys updated. Okay, I'll see you guys later.